Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add music to your recorded videos in CapCut. But first I wanted to tell you that don't forget to subscribe, because at 100,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how you can make money online. So let's jump into it. After you open the CapCut app, you can see at the top section the camera option. Click on it and you can see that you can record one shots or multi-clips videos, which can be 15 seconds, 60 seconds or 3 minutes. And when you done recording, you can see at the top of the screen the add sound option, and here is this gallery or library of music. You can see that there are the TikTok original sounds, or you can see that you can extract sound from different videos. You can see the recommended ones, and you can see that there is this favorites one. So if you save here some music that you would like to use later on, here you can find them and you can add to your videos. So that's it. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing and see you in the next one. Bye bye.